So you can see I'm on the YouTube website, YouTube. So let's go to the shorts section. This is the shorts section, this one on the left side of the screen, and let's search from here. Actually, I was trying to find a video that I watched like a month ago, so I don't know exact title, but what I know is it was like dangerous animals, something like this. So let's search it. I could find, yeah, this was the video I was done because I searched animals. So this is the, I was on September 7. So this is how you find, or this is how you search YouTube watch history. Then so